Morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments on this last day of the month trading as far Friday, August 30th. I won't go with the overnight trade because we're kind of mixed because of delivery. So here we are. It's month end. It's intertwined with first notice day and a 3-day holiday. And we'll begin resuming trade Monday night, so be aware of that. No Sunday night trade. And except for wheat, the markets are trying to bounce off their lows for weekly gains. But for the month and for the weeks, for the month and for the year so far, we're well down at this point in time. So what we're trying to do, and the pessimism for us being down for the month and for the year, has basically been the USDA reports that have been non-bullish. The demand that we've been seeing out of the U.S. hasn't been all that good. The politics that's been going on with the trade war. And I know we had a little bit of a weather problem with the corn market as far as getting planted here in the U.S., but in general, the weather hasn't continued to be adverse, much like it hasn't been in the whole world. So those are the main things that kind of it had the grain markets and oilseed markets down so much for the month and for the year. Big thing last night was the deliveries for first notice day. I'd have to say the overall trend forward has been that the commercials continue to go and register and deliver grains and oilseeds, which is a non-bullish event, and you basically have street stoppers out there. Except for the beans, there was a couple of commercials that stopped the beans, but we'll see if that doesn't come back on out. I guess the bigger surprise was that we saw commercials register and deliver wheat when we really didn't have anything registered. So once again, the whole delivery picture in the overnight session and for the delivery period is kind of a negative, and that's why you see your September contracts and some of the months down versus what we've been seeing in the December. Commitment trades report is going to come out after the close today. We basically still look for the corn, wheat, and bean guys to be net short, net even in the soybean oil, and still net long the soft red winter wheat as of yesterday's close. Nothing new in the trade talks between the U.S. and the Chinese. We know that that's been something in the news here over the past couple of days, but that comes and goes, plus and minus. Or there's nothing new going on with this ethanol package that Trump came on out with as far as appeasing the farmers and the ethanol groups. Stochastics and RSIs are getting a little bit of a bounce up off their dead lows right now. It's a little bit of thing that's technically happening. The open interest has been coming down throughout this whole week, so we're cleaning up the market. And I bring that up because as far as getting a bounce in the RSIs and the stochastics, cleaning up the open interest, we come back after the 3-day holiday, we'll be back again looking at, once again, the weather, the crop conditions, the demand, the politics, and more importantly, working our way into that unknown of what the USDA report's going to give us next month. So once again, have a good Labor Day holiday. Remember, trade resumes again Monday night. These are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. I thank you.